So this is the Nude Shape Tape. I have it in the color Buff. This stuff is fantastic. So this is for when you have a dress or a top that you can't really have like bra straps for, or if you just need a little extra lift. So what you do is you measure out how much you need, and mine looks a little crazy, but I'm just showing you. So you measure out how much you need, and like for instance with this shirt, I would have cut it to where it probably would have only come up to about right here, but you can cut it to where you can't really see it in the shirt. That way, you know, you don't have to wear a bra. So as you can see, so this is without a bra, right? So I'm just, you know, kind of whatever. But with the Shape Tape, it allows you to be lifted up. So, and it, I mean, like I said, it looks a little crazy, but I want you to be able to see it without having to show you everything. So you just have this tape and you put it from about here and kind of put it here, and then what you do is you lift to where you want your breast to sit. So once you have it to where you want it, you just tape it on, and it stays all day. It's actually not uncomfortable at all. You can completely, you know, move your arms around. You don't have to worry about it. And the way to get it off is you just use some oil, any type of body oil that you may have, and you just allow it to work in here, just kind of like a band-aid. And that way you're not ripping your skin off, because it is waterproof and it does stay all day, because that's what it's supposed to do. You don't want to be walking around and then all of a sudden your tape comes off and now what are you going to do? So like I said, you have lift on this side, no lift on this side. So you can see how wonderful this works and how it actually does work. And this is in the color Buff, I believe. Yep, number 3 in Buff. So this is, I mean, it's such a great product, especially if you need like a nice dress and you can't wear a bra. So, and you want a little lift so you're not just wearing nipple covers. This is absolutely perfect. But also remember, do not put this directly on your nipples. You will not have a great day. But yeah, so if this is what you're looking for, I would definitely suggest getting this. Like I said, I was sent this as a gift to try for my honest review, and I am so happy that this was sent to me because it's such an amazing product. You get a ton. Look at this. I mean, this is so much. You can do so many things with this. You can make it into a tube top if you have a tube top. You can do this. You can make it into spaghetti straps. I mean, the way you cut it for however you want to use it is absolutely endless. And like I said, you get a ton, and it just works. So if you're looking for Shape Tape, this is the kind of product you're looking for. I would definitely give Nude Tape a try because it really works.